I was using my Copic markers for a year now, and today I'm ready to tell you the truth. Why I hate Copic. This is me 1 year ago, watching random art video, and every artist that I watch use Copic. So I was convinced and bought mine. Oops, wait. Yes, finally. But before I tell you everything, let's find first a reference photo for my drawing. Once I have a clear idea what to draw, I grab my sketchbook, my pencil, my eraser, then play my favorite music, and now I'm ready to sketch. Finally, ugly sketch is done. Now it's time to transfer it to the big piece of paper. I'll be starting first by sketching the character proportion, using basic lines and shape, and add the details later. Now it's time to add some details, and I'll be using some of my things as my reference. I'm trying to draw as many details as possible so that I can use all the markers later. Now it's time to add some details, and I'll be using some of my personal things as my reference. I really like how the character turning out, so let's keep adding details. Few details to go, and finally, sketch is done.
Exit 110 and hit the 210, cause baby I'm in your section. I know you like to work.
It's already 11 p.m. and it's time for me to sleep. Bye. It's already morning and I will start my day by eating a delicious breakfast. Now it's time to start inking, and I'll be using the Sakura fine liner pen in this drawing. We have so many details to ink, so let's make it a bit faster. My pen is no longer smooth anymore, so let's buy a new one. Oh, that's really fast. Now let's finish the inking process.
I'm remembering the things I have done in my life. Oh, making one or two turns that weren't really wise.
Few thick lines to go, and finally, inking is done. Now it's time to add some colors. I'll be using the Copic markers.
You stare into my eyes.
So let's begin. So first thing that I'm going to color is the skin, and this will set as a color guide for the rest of the drawing.
Why is he here all alone? I love going out to where the music's too loud and where the people surround me. Yeah, here's my best advice, just let me stay in this vibe.
So let's go back to the question, why I hate Copic. I hate it because it's easy to try, and once the marker cup has been cracked, automatically the marker will be dry even you use it only once or twice.
You're not gonna get what you came here for. I'm leaving a suit as you ask for more. Yeah, you can talk to me, boy, and you can move in up close, but that's as far as.
Second thing that I hate is the price. It's too expensive to buy, and you will get few colors only.
It's getting late, but I'm only getting started. And now they're playing my song.
The third thing that I hate is the smell. I don't know why some colors of the Copic marker has stinky smell, where I feel suffocated while using them. But overall, the Copic markers are good, but just that it's really not worth the price. Now let's focus and finish the coloring.
Boy, and you can move it up close, but that's as far as it goes. I'm not your baby, I might be up for a dance, I might be holding your hand, but that is all I can stand. I'm not your baby now.
Now it's time to color the shoes, and I want it to be the same color with the jacket and pants.
You can talk to me, boy, and you can move it up close, but that's as far as it goes.
Look.
I'm not your baby.
Knowing that you're not my baby, but I think maybe you'll reconsider. When I pull up in that brand new thing with the iced out chain and the new chinchilla. And you aim for the heart when you walked on the floor, you a real gal Batman killer. But you ain't never did with the boys in the band, with the bands and the bops like Dilla. Love it when you hill up, will up, bring it back, come rewind. Touch to have your ex-man back on your line. But I'm a real player, never act like you're mine. Leave you disappointed.
It's time to color the small parts of the drawing.
Let my one dance go to the next man. Cause I ain't even gotta be your man. Bet I can still leave here as the best man. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, you can talk to me, boy, and you can move it up close, but that's as far as it goes. I'm not your baby, I might be up for a dance, I might be holding your hand, but that is all I can stand.
Some small details left,
You're not gonna get
and finally, the drawing is done. Enjoy the final review, brothers and sisters.